Achieving the perfect crispy texture can be tricky, but don't worry, I'm here to share with you all my tips and tricks. You will only need a few simple ingredients and you will be a pro in no time. Shred a carrot. Slice some cabbage. Trim the base of beech mushrooms. You can also replace it with other types of mushrooms. And chop 2 stalks of scallions. One of the most important reasons that the pockets aren't crispy is due to the moisture in the pockets. Today, we're going to address that. In a bowl, add the glass noodles and pour hot water over them. Let them rehydrate until soft, about 3 minutes. Discard the water, drain the noodles, and cut them into about 1-inch length. Glass noodles absorb the liquid in the filling, ensuring the spring roll pockets stay crispy for a very long time. In another bowl, mix together soy sauce, oyster sauce. You can also replace it with vegetarian oyster sauce that's made with mushrooms. White pepper. Cornstarch slurry thickens the sauce, so the filling stays dry, ensuring our spring roll pockets stay crispy and not soggy. Whisk. In a pan over high heat, add 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. You can use any high smoking point oil, followed by the ground chicken and salt. Stir fry the chicken for about 3 minutes. Remove. In the same pan over high heat, add another tablespoon of cooking oil. Add carrot, cabbage, beech mushrooms, and scallions. Cook until aromatic for about 1 minute. Cooking the vegetables now allows them to release the liquid at this stage and not later. Return the chicken, glass noodles, and sauce. Mix everything together and let it cool completely for about 10 minutes. See, our filling is mostly dry. Lay a spring roll wrapper flat with a corner pointing toward you. Add about 2 to 3 tablespoons of the filling at the lower center. Fold up the wrapper and fold the right toward the center, followed by the left. Continue rolling it up until you reach the top. Brush beaten egg over the top edge. Roll it up all the way to seal. Repeat with the rest. In a pan over medium-high heat, add about 4 tablespoons of cooking oil and the spring roll pockets. Pan fry until golden brown for about 2 minutes. Flip and pan fry until golden brown for another 2 minutes. You can serve them the way they are or pair them with my sweet chili sauce. Click here for the recipe. The perfect combination of crunchy exterior and juicy interior will leave you craving for more. This is absolutely delicious. You can hear how crispy and how crunchy it is, and the filling is so amazing. I hope that you have also enjoyed today's episode. If you like it, please subscribe, follow, and like for more easy to follow and step-by-step Asian recipes. I'll see you again soon. Bye!